Rwaaria gatagatĩ ka thirikari na aregani bayo BAZIMIO nĩ ruonekete kũringa nyuma ya kamĩtĩ baria barerĩgĩrĩire gũcemania kuoneka gũthithĩrua mogarũrũku a kĩama ba Kenya KWANZA baria batarĩkire Rwaaria rũrũ nĩ batũmĩrĩtie atĩ nĩ baritĩte Adan KEYNAN ũrĩa wa Jubilee kĩrĩ kamĩtĩ ĩyo kumania na bo nĩ borĩtie AZIMIO na bokwĩmbĩria KOSING kĩrĩ kamĩtĩ ĩyo ya antu mũgwanja kagiteno kau baugĩte bakarĩkana na Rwaaria rũrũ KETHIRA AZIMIO bageta na mbere na maandamano no Rais Daktari William Ruto ugĩte gũtĩ maandamano jakathithĩka mũciĩ-inĩ jwa Nairobi nĩ ũndũ Raila acokerete nthigũrũ-inĩ ya Kenya. Boniface Mungera na KURITA
nyume Rwaaria kwaragana ntuku njumene kimege kinonto mubunge KEYNAN oroterwa Kenya Kwanza na Devin KOSING oroterwa AZIMIO kwithirwe kunine kia bypatsan na ntuku na roterwa Kenya Kwanza okorokera mukarigite George Morugara ibashumirite na bole roterwa AZIMIO bethro beshokera na betikire bendere ya Rwaaria nonto boro terwa bakwithirwa bagitikire kumuita KEYNAN ende tikirwa ya runthe.
When we go to the talks and one of the terms of reference as a conflict of interest with a member, we will then be calling upon that member to recuse himself. For example, the issue brought against Honorable KEYNAN is actually on party hygiene, party hopping and moving from one party to the other, development and enhancement of multi-party democracy. This is an issue where it may be in conflict with Honorable KEYNAN sitting as we discuss that particular point. This is the time we will recuse him. On the table, from the Kenya Kwanza side, the issue of security is likely to come up. Security in terms of what the demonstrations have done to us, breaching that security. There may also be security brought about by banditry attacks in various parts of the country. When we start discussing this, there is a possibility that conflicts will arise and we may also call upon those affected to recuse themselves.
Kamiti je bypatsan ya dhukanire ntuku njumaine nyumerotero AZIMIO kwa mbunge KEYNAN orono kiama kia Jubilee abatere kuthirwo terere rwao nonto kiama kia Jubilee kinde nebo ngaroko wengenyo Kenya Kwanza bogo mbunge KOSING orono kiama kia KUP abatere kuthirwo terere rwao nonto KUP urene Professor Onyangapo nedire kiri Kenya Kwanza.
Their argument is the points are not convincing enough. We also feel it because Honorable KEYNAN may be in Jubilee and he has a position he takes politically today. And we have even told them, if really you say he is yours, the better it is for you. You have an extra one person. We've told them that.
Mukarigite Morugara eshoka kore mukarigite rotero AZIMIO bonotenda molo Pedro beshokera rolia ntuku njumaine erena ku okolirwa ntuku ije nontuku AZIMIO bangite kwithiro beshokera maandamano ne.
We are calling upon them to shelve the demonstrations. Come to the table, we talk, we agree or agree to disagree. Whichever it is, but at least as leaders and as Kenyans, we now need to come to the table to discuss. These problems will not be solved by the maandamanos we have.
Mearia mukarite Morugara nishokete thombirwa kathari ntuku enarwa Rais Ruto roterwa Kajiado areoretio Ndinga ethirwa gitikire kwithirwa kenderea Rwaaria bypatsan kana oriru nteto cha maandamano.
Kama hamutaki mazungumzo, hatuwezi kukubali mtu yeyote kwa sababu yeyote kuendelea kuharibu mali ya wananchi. Hiyo hatuwezi kukubali. Na mimi nataka nitangaze hapa leo ya kwamba haitawezekana tena. It is not possible for us to allow a few people to destroy property, to destroy people's business in quest of their own interests and in quest of their own selfish issues.
Ethirwa Ondinga na njori AZIMIO bakethirwa bagitikire gucokera kiri Rwaaria kana bakenderea maandamano inteto emwe egwetera na kona.
Mimi ndio rais wa Kenya na kama mnataka kuendelea mtajua hamjui. Yes, enough is enough. Haiwezekani tena. Haitawezekana tena. And I want to tell them, wasione ya kwamba tumesema tuongee. Wanaona ya kwamba ati watatuletea mchezo. Mchezo hatutaki. uchaguzi iliisha.
Wachague kati ya mazungumzo na fujo. Kama ni fujo, hiyo tutawaachia polisi wapambane na polisi. Kama ni mazungumzo, tuko tayari kuzungumza.
Nke reporter Antoshauri TV kumaja kengine kineke mshumisha Nairobi. Mbita Boniface Mongera.